This is what the carport looks like now. We added the beam and that center beam all the way down because this side did look like that side. But I think it helps it out quite a bit. You can see how those boards are drooping through there. We gotta do the same thing on this side. That's what I've been working on the past week or so. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna check out what the gel did again, drill out some more spot welds, and it is super hot out here, so maybe a shorter video, but we'll get something done on the Bronco. And I gotta keep my eye on something, my little fire I started outside, but I'll show you. It's just in a barrel, but here it is. I'd hate for that to get out of hand and catch that barn on fire that has my GMC in it and all my other parts, plus my little tractor. So maybe pop out a video for every now and then, check on it. But let's see what it did to, the gel did to this, and then we'll start drilling out some more spot welds. Some reason, I don't know if I got it too thick, but it doesn't seem like it did very well right there. But on the pieces that didn't have as much, kind of see it's bubbling up. So I think maybe I got just too much through here or something, I don't know. But back here it looks much better. We'll scrape this off and clean it off and maybe put another coat of that on the original paint through here and get all that off. And then we'll continue on with these. Like I said, it might be a shorter video, but it is what it is. I don't want to be out here too long tonight because I am burning up. It seemed to work pretty well. You can actually kind of still see the stamping I guess from the sheet metal they used. Excuse me. From the sheet metal they used. It's kind of neat. But I think this is metal. Metal that hadn't been sanded down like the others, maybe. But stuff like this, you know, you can scrape stuff easier with a metal scraper than that plastic one. Even this stuff up here. Anyways, I think it turned out all right. You can see that it kind of reveals where Bondo is. There's some Bondo right here, and then a big Bondo patch right here. So I think I am gonna sand it down a little bit with just by hand, and then maybe hit these spots with my little air sander to get all that Bondo out and see what's back there. But overall, I think it did pretty well. Definitely gonna use it again. I think I'm gonna go check out the front and see what that looks like. I guess it did technically work. It took that, like that blue up there, took it off pretty much, but it still needs some more on it, which I don't know if I'll put any on tonight or not, but seems to work pretty good. I think we're gonna work on some spot welds for the rest of the time this evening. I think I'm gonna stop right there tonight because I am extremely hot. But you see, we got some more spot welds drilled out. I'm gonna have to fix these because when I drilled through, I don't know if you can tell, but it drilled into the tub all right through there. So whenever I take the kick panel off, I'm gonna have to weld those holes up. But I guess they're just a little bit too close. Anyways, I figured that one's gonna do the same thing, but we should be able to get it from under behind here, and realize it's gonna be really hard to weld these down here since I gotta get in there. But it's not impossible, it's just gonna be kind of difficult, but we'll make do. And we still like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I think there's 3 up here. So 8, 9, maybe 10 more. Oh, we got some back here too. So we still got a little ways to go. But I make just I don't know why it's not focusing. Anxious to get that kick panel off, and we can clean up this area in here a little bit, fix those holes, fix any holes if there's any on this, fix that too, and keep going. But let me know about this piece. I almost just want to patch it because I'm afraid I'm going to drill through right through here, especially up here. It's kind of high, but I don't know. Anyway, this is how it looks right now. I'm concentrating all the metal work on this area up here and then down through here. Then we'll flip it and do the same thing on the drivers. But I think I may just sand that down by hand, get all the rest of the paint off in the Bondo. And I don't think I'm going to do that rattle can primer anymore because it messes with that gel too much and it's just kind of nasty. So I may actually try to get some epoxy primer and throw on there after I get all the paint and stuff off. I don't know how I'm going to do it in this garage because I don't want to get primer on all my stuff. So we'll see. Might have to staple some Visqueen on the rafters. Just make a little, I don't know, drop down booth and put some 2x4s on the floor. Open the garage door a little bit, put a fan going out, and see if we can do it like that. That might be my best bet. Wet the floor down and make sure it's clean. And try my hand at spraying some real primer. But we're still a little ways away from that. I got a lot of stuff I need to do. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll continue on the side, get that kick panel off and repair those holes that I drilled out, because that's what I was afraid of doing, and I did it. But it'll work out. We'll get it fixed and make it look good again. Let me know your thoughts on that front apron. Either replace the whole thing or just try to make a patch for that section. And we'll sand that back down, and I'm thinking I might go ahead and sand everything else down, get all Bronco down to bare metal, and try to do epoxy primer over it. That way we know it's good, and we can just go on from there with Bondo and whatever else we need. If that's not how you do it, let me know, but that's how I'm thinking about doing it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel, and like I said, it motivates me to come out here, even though it's like 90 something degrees in here. Basically like a sauna. Motivates me to come out here and just do a little bit, even though the videos may be boring. You know, stripping paint and drilling out spot weld till eventually get to where we're actually putting stuff on and actually making progress. But until then, it may be kind of slow videos, kind of the same old thing. But if you made it all the way through, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next.